We are officially over halfway through the year, and if you have been following the channel, you know I've been running a real money experiment with the GoMining platform. Today I want to give you an honest 6-month check-in. I'm showing you my exact Bitcoin payouts, what my power efficiency looks like right now, and how much I'm spending on maintenance, and most importantly, the exact roadmap I'm using to scale my farm all the way up to 1,000 terahashes, and what I plan on doing for the remainder of the year to reach my goal to get to 1,000 terahashes. Whether you are just getting into digital miners or looking for ways to compound your passive Bitcoin yield, let's dive straight into the numbers. So this is what my farm currently looks like. I have 777.88 terahashes, my efficiency is 15, and I have a total of 7 miners. My discount is 6.03. These are the miners that I have. It goes from the bonus miner all the way down to my greedy machine. Over the last 6 months, I have been pretty much upgrading one miner, and it has been the greedy machine. That is where I'm putting all my money into in order to grow it as much as possible. There are many different reasons why I'm only upgrading my greedy machine. One of them being is that the greedy machines provide me with extra power every single week. So with the amount of terahashes that I have with my greedy machine, I'm averaging about 2 terahashes every single week of free power for simply owning that terahash. So over the last 6 to 7 months, we have seen major market shifts, difficulty adjustments, and changes in the price of Bitcoin. And here's what my numbers look like as of today. We are going to go over to the dashboard. As you can see, this chart is trending higher and higher. I started the year with around 339 terahashes, and as of right now, slightly more than halfway through, I'm over 770 terahashes. And when it comes to the amount of Bitcoin that I have been getting paid out daily, it started at around 13,000 satoshis, and now it is over 38,000 satoshis. So not bad at all. Both charts are trending higher, which is definitely a good sign in my opinion. Obviously, I'm far away from reaching my goal, but slowly but surely I'm inching my way closer to it. And when it comes to the payouts with GoMining, the number one question that I get asked, are the daily payouts consistent? And here I'm about to show you the exact payouts that I receive every single day. So when we go over to the rewards section and you scroll down, you will see that every single day I'm getting my Bitcoin straight to my account. Every day like clockwork. And they have been doing so for a very long time, over a year. So when it comes to the daily Bitcoin payouts, GoMining is extremely consistent. I haven't missed a daily payout since I joined. And when I do the conversion at the current price of Bitcoin of 63,480, you will see that I'm averaging close to $25 worth of Bitcoin every single day. And that comes out to almost $750 worth of Bitcoin every single month. So if you want to start earning some Bitcoin passively, make sure to check out the GoMining platform. I do have a link for him in the description box below. If you use that link, you are going to get an extra 5% off your first miner. So once you create your account, all you got to do is click on this plus tab, scroll down, and you'll be able to buy 1 full terahash. Right now, 1 terahash will cost you $16.99, and the ROI on this is 48%. So you can buy 1 terahash, you can buy 5, 10, however many that you want, and the ROI is pretty good. So once you buy your miner, you're going to get a random one just like these, and every single day the rewards are going to hit your wallet. The GoMining platform makes this extremely easy and passive, but if you don't want to create your own miner, you can always head over to the marketplace and select anyone that you like. There are over 9,000 different miners for sale. You can go to hot deals, you can go auctions, you can sort by lowest price, by efficiency, by all of that stuff. So definitely worth exploring to see if you can find a better deal than by creating your own. So the total amount of Bitcoin that I have earned so far is 0.0632, and that comes out to slightly over $4,000 worth. But when it comes to the GoMining platform, you cannot simply buy some terahashes and call it a day. You have to focus on optimizing, making sure you have the right efficiency, the right strategy for the long term. I've seen a lot of people use the GoMining platform with efficiency of like 40 or 50 or 35, and and they are leaving a lot of money on the table simply because the better your efficiency is, the more money you are going to spend on maintenance and electricity. So efficiency of 15 or less is the best in my opinion. Also keep in mind, the better your efficiency, the less money you'll be spending on fees and electricity, and the more Bitcoin you're going to end up earning. The GoMining platform gives you a ton of opportunities to maximize your discount to lower your fees. For example, the service button. Every day that you click it, you get a discount, which is not bad at all, saving you on fees and electricity. And now let's talk about the big goal, and that is getting 1,000 terahashes. So why 1,000 terahashes? Well, it looks cool on the screen, and 1,000 looks like a huge number. But with all seriousness, once you reach around 1,000 terahashes, you'll be able to scale much faster. You'll be able to go from 1,000 to 2,000 terahashes in no time. And this is the strategy that I plan on using. So in the rewards section, we are going to press rewards setting, and this screen will pop up. With this screen, you are able to choose how you want to get paid out every single day. If you simply select like this option right here, you are going to be receiving Bitcoin into your wallet daily. But at the very bottom, they have the reinvest option. If you select this option, you'll be able to have your Bitcoin paid out in GoMining token, or you'll be able to have it auto reinvested back into the miner that you choose. So once we select this option, you will see that if I select the GoMining, every single day I'll be receiving 82.94 GoMining tokens. I'll be able to use these tokens to upgrade my miners, upgrade the efficiency, or simply lock them up for a bigger discount. The second option is to choose to automatically reinvest into terahashes. With this option, you get an extra 5%, which is not bad. So with this option selected, I'll be getting 2.52 terahashes of power every single day. And now when we select our miner, obviously I will be selecting the greedy machine. Let me quickly find it. Alright, greedy machine right here, and with the extra 5%, I'll be getting 2.60 terahashes. And when I do the math, 2.6 terahashes times 30 days, that comes out to 78 terahashes every single month. And on top of that, I'll be earning 2 extra terahashes weekly with the greedy machine. That comes out to an extra 8 terahashes, bringing the total to 86 terahashes every single month. So if I select this option for roughly 3 months, I will achieve my goal. I will have over 1,035 terahashes, which is not bad at all. That will definitely help me achieve my goal much faster. So for the month of August and September, I will not be selecting this option. I will be using my own funds to get more terahashes. But for the month of October, November, and December, I will be selecting this option to surpass 1,000 terahashes. That is the goal. Right now, I'm gonna use my own funds, and then for those final 3 months, I will have the auto reinvest feature on to hit that 1,000 mark. So before we end the video, let's go over to the greedy machine. We are going to press upgrade, and we are going to purchase some power. We are going to scroll down. We are going to press custom. We are going to select 1 terahashes. We are going to use our GoMining tokens. And as you can see right now, 1 terahash is costing me $9.93. The ROI is 43%, and it will cost me a whopping 34 GoMining tokens. One final thing I want to mention, the more you upgrade your miner, the cheaper the upgrades are going to get. So right now it is 9.93. A month from now, it might be a little cheaper. So let's press continue. We are going to press yes, and within a matter of a second, we got an extra terahash. Now we are at 778.88 terahashes. Overall, 6 to 7 months in, GoMining continues to be one of the smoothest ways to stack Satoshis without dealing with noise, heat, or hardware failure in your home setup. I'll keep updating you guys every step of the way as we push towards the 1,000 milestone. So if you want to follow along, make sure to press the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you want to start your own journey mining Bitcoin, make sure to check out the GoMining link in the description box below. That is all I have. See you in the next video. Peace out.